Oh my gosh, you guys, this is gonna be crazy.
Today we are cutting open a shark egg.
Look at that. Just a baby shark just came out of the egg.
I don't even wanna do